In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube video using avatar.
Hello, my name is Janet and welcome.
So for this one, we're going to use an AI agent called Heygen. Hello, my name is John and welcome. So guys, if you're ready, you want to learn how to create YouTube content using avatar, AI avatar, well, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. If you're ready, let's go in front of my computer. Like I said, for this video, we're going to use AI agent called Heygen, okay, as you can see on the screen here. So Heygen is the one we're going to use. You can create a free account. Once you create a free account, you open it up, you will see something similar to this page, okay? And then you will come to create video. So since we're going to create video, you click on that. And then here, we're going to create avatar video, okay? You click on that one. And then we're going to create YouTube video. This is the format we're going to use. If it's like a TikTok video, you're going to use this format right here. But we'll go with this right here. And we'll click on it. And this is the avatar. So this is kind of like the default avatar you will see. But you can change it, okay? If you don't like this one, all you got to do is just click on it, select it, and then click on replace. So from here, you can choose other avatar. Let's say we want to choose this one. Okay, you can just click on it. So this one has different looks. We have different ones. So let's choose this right here. That's the one we're gonna use. Yeah, this is the background. In case you don't like this background, what you can do is to drag this over here a little bit. Okay, and select the background here. Go over here. Choose whatever background you want. Let's say we want to choose this background here. That's what we're gonna choose, right? And then from here, you select this one again. You switch the background off. Once you switch it off, now the AI avatar is on this background here. You can make this a little bigger and adjust the position of the avatar. And then that's it over here. Okay. So now the next thing we're gonna, put a script. So the avatar has to say something, right? So we come here. Let's just say, hello, my name is Janet and welcome. Okay, that's what we're gonna put. Then we click on play.
Hello, my name is Janet and welcome.
Okay, so now in case you don't like this voice, you want to change the voice, you can come over here. You click on this arrow, and then go to you click on Caroline Public, and from here you go to Heygen Library. So from here you can choose whatever voice you want. Let's say we want to use Elizabeth voice. We click on this one. So now if we play,
Hello, my name is Janet and welcome.
you see, that's Elizabeth's voice. So we like this one, we keep it like it is. And then from here, all you need to do, okay, another thing here I can show you quick is, let's say you want to show something on the screen, right? So hello, my name is Janet. Let's say from Janet, you want to show something on the screen, like it's kind of like a bureau basically. Let's say maybe welcome. Put something like welcome, so that will appear when he say welcome, right? So we're gonna select this one here, and then from here, since we want it to appear welcome, you just drag the arrow to this level, maybe end, and then the last one gonna be welcome. Then you adjust the picture here. You can put it somewhere here. So now let's see if it will appear when she said welcome. Okay, so we're gonna start it over here. Let's go back.
Hello, my name is Janet and welcome.
You see how it appears. So now once you okay with the video, everything, what you can do is just to go over here and click on generate. So let's see if you're gonna generate. So like here we put the title of the video. Let's say let's just put this video. So test video, then it doesn't give you to get more frame. you have to upgrade it to use 30 or 60, so just leave it at 25. Even this one right here, the resolution, we're going to leave it at 720. Okay, so now from here we click on submit. So we submit it. Well, I mean, if you want to grade this one, that's fine, but you can do that and submit it as well, or you can just close it. Okay, so here is the video here. Say in line for processing. So it's processing the video right now. So we're gonna wait till it processes the video. Once the video is processed, I can show you the result. So the process is finished, and now let's hear how the avatar sounds. You come here now we're gonna click on play.
Hello, my name is Janet, and welcome.
You see, this is how you create your YouTube video using avatar. Some of you guys who don't want to show your face, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.